Welcome to day 2, soothing sadness in the body. I invite you just to come and lie down on your mat into Savasana. If we're feeling sad, then coming to the floor, allowing our mat to support us, or if you want to imagine the earth supporting you, then please do. Just let the feet fall to the side and let the arms rest by your sides, palms facing up. Now you can slightly tuck the chin in here. As we take a breath in through the nose and sigh out through the mouth. And allow this time to notice where you feel the sadness. Is it in the heart? Is it in the stomach? Is it in your thoughts? Now just notice here, no judgment. You just sit with those feelings, just using the breath in through the nose, sighing out through the mouth. You can repeat the mantra, my body is safe here, my feelings are welcome here. Allowing the body to fully get heavy, but feeling supported on your mat or on the air. When my mum passed away, I didn't want to feel sad, so I suppressed all that sadness. I tried to keep it hidden. And I've now learned that didn't serve me well. It caused this ease in my body. And I think that's why I wanted to share this practice with you. This would be a practice I would go to as I still feel sad. And as we bend the left leg, we can lift the right leg up. And we'll just flex at the heel here, pointing the foot up to the ceiling and then back down. Now, when we're sad, we can also get a low immunity. Now, and just helping moving the lymph, what we're doing here, helps us with that, helps us to keep healthy, keeps a good energy flowing. If you want, you can create circles here. Again, just keeping the shoulders down, relaxed on the mat. And then slowly just bring that right leg back down as we lift the left leg back up. And now you can keep as much a bend in the knee as feels comfortable here. This is all about feeling but making ourselves comfortable, giving ourselves a little respite here, knowing that we're serving ourselves well. And then as we bring the feet back down to the mat, we can bring the knees in here and we can create circles. So we're just taking the knees out and bringing the knees back. Again, just opening the hips here. We can hold a lot of emotion here. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. clockwise. And then when the knees are together, we can give ourselves a hug. Remember that you can give yourself a hug. That is allowed. And then we'll slowly just come up to seated. Again, just move nice and slow. As we bring our right hand to the left knee, as we come into a gentle twist here. As we look over the left shoulder, try not to grip onto that knee here. And just breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. And twists are good for rinsing out the organs, improving circulation to the organs. Again, if we feel sluggish when we're sad, we're getting some energy again. And then as we come back to centre, we'll take the left hand to the right knee. We'll lengthen out the spine here. Imagine you're grounding the pelvis down into the earth, down into the mat. Lengthen the spine here. And then we'll look over the right shoulder. And again, check in if you're holding tension in the knees here. Just let them relax down. I am allowed to feel. My feelings are welcome here. As we come back to centre, we'll take the right leg out. Now just readjust the hips here so they're facing forward. Now if it's comfortable, you can keep the knee bent here. Then we're going to face the leg here again. Keep a nice bend in the knee here. So we're facing the right leg. And then we're going to slowly just come forward, looking over the toes. Now we'll keep this active here. So again, when we're sad, our mind and thoughts can go everywhere and anywhere. So let's bring our focus to over the toes here. Let's bring us right back into the room, into this moment. And with the breath, just let yourself soften down. As we slowly walk the hands back in, and we'll take this over to the opposite side. Again, readjusting the hips here, lengthening up through the spine, facing the left leg now. Toes are facing up to the ceiling. Again, you can keep a nice bend in the knee here as we just walk forward. Now today I'm not coming forward a lot, and that's all right. My body changes every day, morning to night, and that's all right. Keeping the focus over the toes here. Soften with each breath. And then slowly walk the hands back up as we come into our child's pose, into Balasana. So we're bringing the big toes together here. Hips come down onto the heels. Now we'll keep the arms bent here so our head's getting supported here. Knees can be as wide as your mat here. Again, there should be no pain or discomfort. As we let the eyes close, if you're comfortable to do that, let the chest get heavy here. Let the sit bones get heavy. Child's pose is taking us back to sort of fetal position when we're safe. My feelings are welcome here. Just notice again if you still feel that sadness, or has it lightened a little? Have you shifted some stagnant energy that you were feeling? Knowing that you are supported here, you're allowed to feel. And then as we slowly just rise back up, as we finish our practice with a mudra from Chinese medicine. It's holding your own hands as we bring the thumb into below the pinky finger and we close our palms over the thumb here. Now again, you can keep the eyes open here or closed. We can chant Om as we take a breath in through the nose. As we breathe out, we chant Om. Feeling that vibration. If you don't want to chant Om out loud, then please chant it twice more in silence. My body is safe here. My feelings are welcome. And that brings us to the end of this short practice for soothing sadness. Please let me know if this has offered you respite to go on with your day. Has it brought comfort? Please comment below. And please subscribe for day 3. Actually, I should be uploading next week, so please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.